Do you ever wonder why it seems so hard to improve your financial situation, even though you're working hard and trying to make good money choices? What if there were easy, high-impact rules you could follow right now to improve your financial life quickly? Well, there are. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 powerful money rules that can dramatically shift your financial life for the better in no time. These rules are designed to help you start making immediate changes in your behavior, so you can see fast results without waiting years for compound interest to work. Keep watching to learn how to make simple yet powerful adjustments that will bring you closer to financial freedom. 1. The 72-hour anti-impulse rule. How many times have you added an item to your shopping cart online, only to immediately feel that rush of excitement to make the purchase? It's a common feeling, especially with online shopping, where everything is just a click away. But this rush can lead to impulse buying that drains your bank account over time. The 72-hour anti-impulse rule is designed to help you break that cycle and make smarter, more thoughtful purchases. This rule is simple. Before you buy anything non-essential over a set amount, let's say $50, give yourself a full 72 hours to think it over. That means you step away from the shopping cart and avoid making the purchase until the emotional urge is past. This waiting period helps break the instant gratification loop created by the excitement of making a purchase. The beauty of this rule lies in the psychology behind it. When you're given time to reflect, many of the impulsive desires fade away. You might realize that the item you wanted wasn't actually necessary, or that it was something you would have regretted buying. Studies have shown that giving yourself time to think before buying can reduce impulse spending by 30% to 50%, which directly improves your cash flow. By applying the 72-hour anti-impulse rule, you'll start noticing immediate changes in your spending habits. You'll become more conscious of your purchases, and this rule will help you curb unnecessary spending, allowing you to redirect that money toward more important financial goals. 2. The substitute don't sacrifice rule. If you've ever tried to stick to a strict budget, you know how challenging it can be to resist temptation. People often assume that to get ahead financially, you need to completely sacrifice certain things you enjoy. But what if I told you there's a way to enjoy the things you love without overspending? That's where the substitute don't sacrifice rule comes in. Instead of cutting out an expense entirely, find a lower-cost alternative that still gives you the same or similar satisfaction. For example, if you're paying for an expensive gym membership but haven't been using it regularly, don't just cancel it and cut your fitness goals out of your life. Instead, substitute that $150 gym membership for a $20 community center membership, or invest in a high-quality home workout app that costs far less. The key to this rule is finding substitutes that bring you the same joy without putting a strain on your budget. People often fail to realize that pure deprivation leads to something called frugality fatigue, which causes them to binge spend later on when they get frustrated with their strict financial goals. By substituting instead of sacrificing, you're making sure you maintain a sustainable, enjoyable lifestyle while still sticking to your financial plans. Substitution helps you embrace moderation. It makes financial goals feel more achievable because you're still allowing room for enjoyment, even if it means spending less. Over time, this approach builds positive habits that will keep you from feeling deprived, making it easier to stick to a budget in the long run. It's a method of balancing fun and finances, so you can thrive without feeling like you're missing out. 3. The subscription audit Sunday. We live in a world full of subscriptions, streaming services, apps, and monthly memberships that add up without us even realizing it. Subscription services can be convenient, but many of us end up paying for services we barely use. The subscription audit Sunday is an easy but powerful way to ensure you're not overspending on these recurring costs. The rule is simple. Once a month, on the first Sunday, take 10 minutes to go through your bank account or subscription management app. Cancel at least one subscription, no matter how small, even if it's just a $10 a month service you rarely use. That's $120 a year you're saving by making a quick decision to cancel. Why does this work? The average person subscribes to multiple services that, over time, accumulate without them noticing. The subscription creep is a silent killer of your budget, and these small payments can add up significantly without you realizing it. The goal here isn't to drastically change your lifestyle or deprive yourself, but to eliminate the subscriptions you're no longer using or don't really need. By being mindful of your subscriptions, you can easily reclaim control over your finances without making huge sacrifices. Think about it. Subscriptions are often a convenient but invisible drain on your budget. Many services may start as something you enjoy, but gradually lose their value. The subscription audit forces you to take a step back and evaluate what's truly adding value to your life. The fast result? You'll save money with minimal effort. By consistently auditing your subscriptions each month, you'll have more control over your financial situation, freeing up cash for things that matter more. This rule is a simple and effective way to put a cap on recurring charges and keep your budget in check without taking up too much of your time. For the 1% manual raise rule, saving money often feels like a huge task, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. But the 1% manual raise rule makes it easier than you might think. The idea behind this rule is to slowly and steadily increase your savings rate without feeling the pinch. Here's how it works. Every time you receive a paycheck, increase your automated savings or investment contribution by just 1%. You won't even notice the difference in your day-to-day spending, but over time, that 1% adds up. This small but consistent increase helps to grow your savings rate without the shock of making major lifestyle changes. It's a more manageable way to build up your savings. The fast result is clear. Within 6 months, you could be saving 5% to 10% more of your income without feeling the financial strain. Instead of making drastic cuts to your lifestyle or spending habits, you can gradually increase your savings over time. This method is easy to implement, and it creates long-lasting results. By consistently increasing your savings rate, you'll build wealth without even realizing it, allowing you to reach your financial goals faster than expected. 5. The cashback isolation rule. When you receive rewards like cashback bonuses, credit card points, or tax refunds, it can be tempting to treat that money as extra spending cash. However, spending these bonus funds is a missed opportunity to improve your financial position. The cashback isolation rule helps you avoid spending this extra money on unnecessary purchases by treating it as invisible money. The rule is simple. Whenever you receive any form of cashback or rewards, redirect that money into a high-yield savings account or use it to pay down debt. You treat this bonus money as something that doesn't enter your regular checking account and is never used for new purchases. Instead, it goes directly to strengthening your financial situation. The fast result is that you'll be building wealth in the background without any extra effort. Cashback rewards, tax refunds, or credit card bonuses can add up quickly, and by putting them into savings or debt reduction, you create a secondary savings account that works for you automatically. Over time, this will provide you with financial cushion, helping you avoid debt and build savings with minimal effort. There you have it, the top 5 money rules that improve your financial life fast. From the 72-hour anti-impulse rule to the cashback isolation rule, these strategies are simple yet powerful ways to improve your financial habits and see results quickly. Whether it's cutting out unnecessary subscriptions, gradually increasing your savings, or simply giving yourself time to think before making purchases, these rules will help you stay on track with your financial goals and build a stronger financial future. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your finances. Let me know in the comments which money rule you plan to implement first, and I'll see you in the next video.